Hello students, now we are starting the explanation for exercise 13.2. Straight away I will go to question number 1, which is a very simple question. So if you read the question, they are saying the CSA of a cylinder, the curved surface area of a cylinder is 88 centimeter square and the height of the cylinder is 14 centimeter, and you have to find diameter of the base of the cylinder. So we know that CSA of a cylinder is 2 pi RH. So 2 pi RH is 88. So that will give us 2 into pi is 22 by 7. Your radius we have to find, because I have to find a diameter. Height is 14. So that is 88. Then this is a simplification, very easy. So that will give you radius R is equal to 1 centimeter. And we know the diameter is double of the radius, so 2 into R, and that means 2 into 1, that is 2 cm. Alright, very easy question, isn't it? So that's question number 1. Now let's go to question number 2. Now question number 2 said you have to make a closed cylindrical tank from a metal sheet, right? So the keyword over here is closed. A word to board important. Now, closed mane ki all the three surfaces, the top, the curved surface and the bottom, all are covered. That is a closed. Okay, so this is a cylinder, now closed cylindrical tank, and you have to form this cylindrical tank from a metal sheet. Okay, now the radius of the tank is given as 70 centimeter and the height of the tank is given as 1 meter. Mind you, this is in centimeter and this is in meter. So what I'll do now, I'll convert this 1 meter to 100 centimeter. So now they are asking what is the area of the metal sheet that is required. So obviously, because it is closed, is it CSA or TSA? TSA, because total. So TSA of the tank, if I apply the formula 2 pi R into R plus H, if you put all the values and calculate, obviously this you can do. Let me show you still. 2 into 22 by 7, radius is 70, 70 plus 100. So if you do this calculation, final value that you should get is 74,800 centimeter square. That means this amount of, or this is the area of the metal sheet that will be required to construct the cylindrical tank. Again, very easy question. Now let's go to question number 3, which is very important. Now in question number 3, they are saying that there is a metal pipe, so metallic pipe of this kind. Okay, please be careful while understanding this question, because this is very conceptual. So metallic pipe of this sort, all right, isn't it? This is a pipe. Okay, pardon my drawing skills. All right, let's try to understand the concepts. So as you can see, it is a larger circle. So actually the figure, if you look at the top view, it is like this, isn't it? Okay, so this is a larger radius, there is a larger circle and there is a smaller circle. So there is a larger radius and smaller radius. Eta horu radius ase, eta dangor radius ase. Tomar edal horu radius mane aru gutei dal tomar dangor radius, starting from here to here. Okay, so let me call the larger radius as capital R and smaller radius as small r. Okay, so now in the question they are saying the smaller radius is 2 cm. The smaller radius is 2 cm and the larger radius is 2 larger radius, that means somewhere here, is 2.2 cm. Okay, and the height of the cylinder, this is the height over here, the height of the cylinder is 77 cm. Okay, so now it has 3 parts. 3 part ase. First we have to find the inner CSA. Okay, so first is inner CSA. So we know the CSA of a cylinder 2 pi RH. So inner means small r. I have to write small r, smaller radius. So if you calculate this one, obviously you can put the values and calculate. You will get 968 centimeter square. R is also given, H is also given. Now the second part, that is outer CSA. outer CSA. Now this time you have to write 2 pi capital RH. Yes, that means 2.2. So if you calculate this one, you will get 1064.8 centimeter square. Please try to calculate and find the value. Alright. Now for the part 3, this is the most interesting or important part. So I have to draw the pipe again. For the part 3 now, so this is the inner edge. Okay, so as I have shown you also, if you look at the top view, there are 2 circles, isn't it? You have to find the total surface area, right? Total surface area means TSA of the pipe obviously is the inner CSA, ভিতৰৰ CSA to মানে এইটো, okay, plus outer CSA মানে বাহিৰৰ CSA to মানে এইটো. Try to understand my point, right? Visualization is very very important. And finally plus কি থাকি গল, these 2 circles, isn't it? The area of the 2 edges, area of the 2 edges, দুটা edge আছে ন, এটা ইয়াত, this is one edge and this is the second edge, উপৰে আৰু তলত, ওপৰত আৰু তলত মানে. So my inner CSA I have already calculated is 968. My outer CSA is also calculated 1064.8. Now these edges, this was capital R and this much is small r. Okay, so there are 2 edges, so 2 eta ahibo and these are all circles. So area to মই কেনেকৈ উলিয়াম এতিয়া, this area, ডাঙৰটোৰ area, ডাঙৰ circleটোৰ area pi r square minus সৰু circleটোৰ area pi r square, মানে ডাঙৰ circleটোৰ পৰা সৰু circleটো minus কৰিলে হেডখ ওলাই যাব. So you can put these values, capital R is 2.2, small r is 2, and you can calculate final value that you should get is 2038.08 centimeter square. ঠিক আছে? So this question is very very important. Okon bhalke saba. If you have any doubt, you can ask me again. Alright. Now let's move on to question number 4. Again, this question number 4 is very very important. Now question number 4, they are saying there is a roller. Okay, let me draw a ruler here. The edge of the ruler. তোমালোকে সকলো roller দেখিছা চাগে, right? You must have seen rollers. The roller to length they are saying is 120 cm. Okay, and roller to diameter, the diameter is mentioned. The diameter is suppose 84 cm they are saying. So obviously the radius will be half of 84, that is 42 centimeter, isn't it? And the entire length of the roller is 120, or height of the roller is 120. Now the roller rotates and it is saying that it takes 500 revolutions to complete, level 1 playground, and you have to find the area of the playground. So first of all let us find the area that will be covered in one revolution. মানে এবাৰ যদি ঘূৰে, so if it rotates one revolution, তো তোমালোকে যদি roller ঘূৰা দেখিছা, এটো যদি ঘূৰে, এটো মই CSA ল'ব লাগিব নে TSA ল'ব লাগিব? So try to imagine this fact. এটো যদি ঘূৰে অকল এটো এৰিয়া হে roll হ'ব, সাইডৰ দুটাটো নহয়. That means I have to take the CSA. Okay, so CSA of the roller is cylindrical in shape, so 2 pi r h. So that will give us a 2 into 22 by 7, radius is 42, height is 120, everything is given. It was 6 times above. We can multiply and calculate. This will give a 31680 centimeter square. Now this is basically CSA, that means 1 revolution. How many revolutions is need? 500 revolutions. So area of the playground, 500 bar roller to ঘুৰিলে playground to cover হৈ যায়. So মই 500 multiply কৰিব লাগিব. So 500 into 31680. তুমি যদি calculation কৰা, this will give you 15840000 centimeter square. Okay, 8 বস্তুটো আমি যদি মিটাৰ স্কয়াৰলৈ কনভাৰ্ট কৰো, সেন্টিমিটাৰ টু মিটাৰ কৰিবলৈ আমি বাই 100 কৰো, মানে আৰু সেন্টিমিটাৰ স্কয়াৰ যদি মিটাৰ স্কয়াৰলৈ নিব লাগে বাই 100 into 100 কৰিম, 4টা 0 কমি যাব. That is a shortcut you have to learn. So এটো হৈ যাব 1584 meter square. I hope ট্ৰিকটো শিকিলা তোমালোকে সো বাই সেন্টিমিটাৰ টু মিটাৰ নিবলে বাই 100 সেন্টিমিটাৰ স্কয়াৰৰ পৰা মিটাৰ স্কয়াৰ বাই 100 into 100 it means divided by 4 zeros এই চাৰিটা জিৰ'জ ওলাই যাব সো my final answer will be 1584 meter square right this question is also very important all right so in this video I have covered the first 4 questions in the next video I shall be trying to cover next 4 questions